Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 8, Weather, Climate, and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. So, weather means day to day conditions, climate is the average of the weather, and adaptation means adjustment. So, come to the next page. The day to day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The temperature, humidity means moisture, rainfall, wind speed, etc. are called the elements of the weather. Elements means parts or factors. The weather at a place changes every day. Sometimes it is very warm, more humid, more cloudy, or more windy. But sometimes it is less warm, less humid, less cloudy, or less windy. So weather always changes every day, not only in a day but also in the morning, in the evening, or in the noon time. So weather is not the same every day. Now come to the chapter 8, Weather, Climate, and Adaptation. Weather means the day to day conditions of the atmosphere. Climate means the average of the weather, and the adaptation means the adjustment of plants and animals, how they adapt themselves according to the climate. Now come to the chapter focus. So chapter focus are the weather and the climate, season of the earth, and adaptation of the earth. These are the main topics you will study in this chapter. Activity is given the weather collector. So how you can collect the weather? Collect the temperature and humidity data from your local news, paper, or from the internet for a week. So you have to note down the temperature for a week from Monday to Sunday, not only of your city but also on a hill station. So note it down in the following table and then compare the maximum temperature, the minimum humidity, again on a hill station, the maximum, minimum, and the humidity. So I have written the data in the next page. See the data here, the maximum, minimum, and the humidity. So on Monday 37 degrees Celsius, minimum 26 degrees Celsius, humidity 78%. Whereas on a hill station, Monday 27 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Celsius minimum, and humidity 43%. Tuesday 35 degrees Celsius, 27 degrees Celsius, 76% humidity. On hill station 25 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, and 38%. On Wednesday 33 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius, 74%. On hill station 25 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Celsius, and 38%. On Thursday 35 degrees Celsius, 26 degrees Celsius, 75%. And on here on a hill station 25 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, 35%. Friday 34 degrees Celsius, 27 degrees Celsius, 73%. Where on a hill station 23 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Celsius, and 41%. On Saturday 31 degrees Celsius, 24 degrees Celsius, 74%. On a hill station 25 degrees Celsius, 16 degrees Celsius, and 36%. On Sunday 32 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius, and 75%. Whereas on the Sunday hill station 24 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, and 42. So in this way you can write all the maximum, minimum, and the humidity, and you can compare also. So in the hill station the weather is cool, pleasant, and humidity is less, whereas in our city Patna the maximum temperature is and the minimum temperature, that means we have the weather hot, humidity is also high, so we have the hot and humid weather, that means we have the rainy season. So in this way you will write and compare the different temperature. Again come to the first page. Check the same for the place, preferably at a higher altitude. Higher altitude means hill stations. You could choose any hill station you visited or have heard of to complete your table. Look carefully. Is there any particular difference you notice about the two places? Yes, the two places have the different temperature as well as the humidity than the obvious difference in the temperature. So plot the reading in a graph sheet and analyze it. If you check the temperature of a place over a period of time, you will notice that the temperature is hardly the same. Hence, it becomes important to monitor the temperature of a place on a daily basis. So that means daily the weather changes. So that's why the temperature also changes. Throughout the day, one can find a change in the maximum and the minimum on the basis of the sunlight temperature recorded with respect to the weather and the seasonal. Temperature also depends on the geographical location of a place, in which area we are living. Either we are living in a hill station or in the plateau or the plain area. So that means the temperature depends on the temperature depends on the weather, seasonal condition, as well as on the geographical location of a place. Now come to the next page, that is page number, next page, weather and climate. So weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere. The temperature, humidity, precipitation, sunshine and wind movement of a place add up to make the weather of a place. So underline this line. The temperature, humidity, precipitation, sunshine and wind movement at a place add up to the weather of the place. So in a place the weather changes every day. One of the first thing you probably do every morning is to look out the window to see what the weather is like, whether it's hot or clear or cloudy. So looking outside and listening to the day's forecast help you decide what clothes you will wear. If it is the rainy season, if it's the rain, then we will wear the raincoat, and if it's the winter season, then we will wear the woolen clothes, and if it is in the summer season, then we will wear the cotton clothes. So according to the weather we wear the clothes. So maybe even what you will do throughout the day. If you do not have school and the weather looks sunny, you might visit the zoo or go on a picnic. So that means on a holiday you always go to the zoo or go on a picnic, but according to the weather. A rainy day might make you think twice about visiting a museum. But if there is a rainy day, then we are not able to go anywhere. So we think twice to whether we go or not. So climate is the average daily weather for an extended, say 25 years. Underline this line of time at a certain location. So already I have told you that climate is the average daily weather condition and we calculate up to the 25 years. Meteorology is the science of scientific study of the atmosphere. Underline this line. Meteorology is the scientific study of the atmosphere that focuses on weather and forecasting. In order to forecast the weather of a place, it is important that the elements of the weather are regularly checked, monitored. So, what are the elements? Temperature, humidity, precipitation, sunshine, and wind speed. So, basically, five main elements are there. So, in the next class, you will study about the elements of weather. That's all for today.